We don't have our butter. Parker, could you do this? Gotta get that laser frying. Probably.
Come on, turn the panini on.
It is on.
It is on?
If it's plugged in, it's on.
It doesn't feel on. I don't think it's plugged in. There, now it's
Rip it in two. Nice and greasy. Now we just need to get our toppings too.
Yep.
One thing that we were forgetting.
Mustard.
Banana peppers. Pickles. We can still need more. Block 8 jam. Shout out to Miss Pepper. Fresh bottle of soy sauce.
Nice.
Looking good already. A beer that cannot be broken. And French dressing. You got it. Throw your bread on. Get a handful of cheese. And throw your other piece on.
I don't think that's a good idea yet because the bacon isn't even.
Ah, it's
Not
good.
even warm.
Yeah, it is.
There. And close it until you can't close it anymore. No, just stop it. Welcome back. We have these are all ready. Let's slide them off. It's like I'm going to slide into your DMs. And then you take. We needed another plate. Put the bacon on here quick. You might want to fork.
Yeah,
I was wondering what that was.
soda stream.
Not water.
No, it's
Oh,
good.
it's water.
It's good.
It is good.
We made it. We didn't build it.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Okay. See, now, once you're done with your grilled cheese, you just throw it right in the bacon grease.
And just
For a couple seconds.
quick 1-2 on each
Then,
side.
now, just flip it over. Then grab this fork here. And
You guys
throw it right back. We need that other plate.
See, and then look at how much heart attacks this will cause for you.
All the diabetes.
You won't live past 50. It was dripping back.
Caution, hot.
So now it is condiment time. And since these are molded to, oh no, they are molded together. Gotta open them up, put some mac and cheese in there. Not very much, because other people might want some too. A full pickle. Not cut, you can't cut your pickle. Some Tabasco. Great going by Parker. Some banana peppers. They smell spicy. I can't taste them after me and Parker's chili.
Oh god.
Chili's spicy.
Quinn, you're forgetting a pickle.
I know. Calm down. Throw in some fun stuff.
That's up.
I need
Now
the
Parker
fork.
hates it, so you always gotta put it on his.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
No, I need the fork.
No, you're lucky I didn't put those peppers. Just dumped the whole thing paste.
I ate almost a tablespoon of that.
Yeah.
French dressing. Never forget this stuff.
That's upside down.
It's nice and thick too. Just gotta dab it on down. I'm not giving any other people the option.
No.
Well, Quinn got out of it. Last but not least.
This thing's gonna like disintegrate and try and put it together.
Now we're gonna go
Soy
do a
sauce.
super long bike ride.
Soy sauce. Flip over the end of the spoon.
You can also use a knife for normal
For
people.
you silly people.
Well, of
You are
course
not
Quinn's
Quinn.
not
You
doing
are
it.
not destroying my sandwich.
The idea is not to make a good sandwich, but
Yeah.
the idea is to make a sandwich that'll get you a good reaction.
Now
Right?
flip it over. I just eat up. Mine's good.
It's actually really good.
So I get that pickle.
There.